Hey everyone, welcome to Scape Your Dream. This is a beginner's guide for setting up an aquarium with live plants. Here, we dive into the fundamentals of setting up an aquarium with live plants, catering to beginners and enthusiasts alike. From selecting the perfect plants to understanding substrate choices, lighting essentials, CO2 injection, fertilization techniques, and monitoring for optimal growth, we cover it all. Join us as we simplify the complexities of planted aquarium care, empowering you to create and maintain a vibrant underwater ecosystem with ease. Selecting the right plants is fundamental to establishing a thriving planted aquarium. Consider factors such as lighting, substrate type, and nutrient availability when choosing plants for your tank. Low-light plants like Java fern and anubias are excellent choices for beginners or tanks with limited lighting, while high-light plants such as Ludwigia and Rotala require more intense lighting and CO2 supplementation. Additionally, consider the growth habits of plants and how they will complement each other aesthetically. Aim for a balance of foreground, midground, and background plants to create depth and visual interest. Researching each plant's requirements and compatibility with your aquarium setup will help ensure a successful and harmonious aquatic garden. Choosing the right substrate is essential for the health and vitality of plants in a planted aquarium. Substrate serves as the foundation for plant roots, providing stability and access to nutrients. There are various substrate options available, including gravel, sand, nutrient-rich planting substrates, and soil-based substrates. Nutrient-rich substrates are favored for their ability to supply plants with essential nutrients directly through their roots, promoting robust growth. Additionally, some aquarists prefer inert substrates like sand or gravel, supplemented with root tabs or liquid fertilizers to provide nutrients. The choice of substrate depends on factors such as the types of plants being grown, aesthetic preferences, and the overall setup of the aquarium. Regardless of the substrate chosen, ensuring proper depth and maintenance is crucial for supporting healthy plant growth and a thriving aquatic environment. Lighting plays a crucial role in the health and growth of plants in a planted aquarium. Adequate lighting is essential for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy to fuel their growth. When selecting lighting for a planted aquarium, factors such as light intensity, spectrum, and duration of photoperiod must be considered. LED lights are popular among aquarists due to their energy efficiency and customizable features, allowing for precise control over light intensity and spectrum. The duration of the photoperiod, or the amount of time the lights are on each day, should mimic natural daylight cycles and typically ranges from 8 to 10 hours. Proper lighting ensures that plants receive the energy they need to thrive, promoting healthy growth and vibrant colors in the aquarium ecosystem. Invest in quality aquarium lights depending upon your budget, light requirements of your plants and fishes, size and shape of your tank. CO2 injection is a method used by aquarists to supplement carbon dioxide levels in planted aquariums, enhancing plant growth and vitality. Carbon dioxide is an essential component of photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy to fuel growth. In planted aquariums with high light levels and dense plant populations, natural levels of CO2 may become depleted, limiting photosynthetic activity. CO2 injection addresses this by providing a controlled supply of carbon dioxide, promoting healthier and more vigorous plant growth. Aquarists typically use CO2 injection systems that diffuse CO2 gas into the water column, ensuring that plants have access to an adequate carbon source for optimal growth. Proper monitoring and adjustment of CO2 levels are essential to prevent overdosing, which can harm fish and other aquatic organisms. Overall, CO2 injection is a valuable tool for maintaining a thriving planted aquarium ecosystem. Fertilization is essential in maintaining a healthy and vibrant planted aquarium ecosystem. Just like terrestrial plants, aquatic plants require specific nutrients to thrive and grow. These nutrients include nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and various micronutrients like iron and manganese. Fertilization methods commonly used in planted aquariums include substrate fertilization with nutrient-rich substrates or soils, liquid fertilizers dosed directly into the water column, root tabs placed near plant roots, and the supplementation of carbon dioxide, CO2, to enhance photosynthesis. Proper fertilization ensures that plants have access to the nutrients they need for robust growth, which in turn promotes water quality and overall aquarium health. In a planted aquarium, monitoring and maintenance are essential for ensuring the health and vitality of both plants and aquatic inhabitants. Regular monitoring involves observing plant growth, checking for signs of nutrient deficiencies or imbalances, and testing water parameters such as pH, ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate levels. Adjustments to lighting, fertilization, and CO2 supplementation may be necessary based on monitoring results. Additionally, routine maintenance tasks like pruning dead or decaying plant matter, removing algae, and performing regular water changes help maintain water quality and prevent nutrient buildup. By staying vigilant with monitoring and conducting consistent maintenance, aquarists can create a balanced and thriving ecosystem that promotes the well-being of both plants and fish in the planted aquarium. Setting up a successful planted aquarium involves several key factors. Selecting the right plants suited to your tank's conditions is essential, as is choosing an appropriate substrate to support plant growth. Adequate lighting, CO2 injection if necessary, and proper fertilization are crucial for promoting healthy plant growth. Regular monitoring of water parameters and plant health allows for timely adjustments to maintain optimal conditions. Finally, consistent maintenance, including pruning, cleaning, and water changes, ensures a thriving ecosystem for both plants and aquatic life. By considering these basic elements, aquarists can create and maintain a beautiful planted aquarium for years to come. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who may benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.